Ooh, try again. Help her out. Get the ball back. Oh, so close. Good try. Roll, bend and roll. Bend and roll. There we go. Nice job. Ooh, nice. Okay, green team. Ooh, right on point. Yellow. Let's see the yellow team. Oh, look at that. Right in the corner. Yeah. Yep. See you. Oh, nice try. Try again. Keep on trying. Check out the red team. Oh, that was so close. Is it your turn now? Oh, there she got one. Wow. Okay, give your teammate the ball. Good, work together. Oh, I like the high five. That's good teamwork. Okay, switch. Okay, let's see what you can get down. Oh, right in the middle. Nice job.
When I missed the ball, she was laughing.
Oh, look at that. Green team was working so nicely together. Nice job. Helping each other out with the pins. Taking turns. Being a good teammate. We have our bowler and our pin fixer. Ooh, right in the middle. He can get. All right, let's see if he can get the rest down. Oh, nice try.